Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I decided to do a video on ChatGPT. I've seen so many trends on ChatGPT and I felt like, okay, why don't I give it a try? So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence developed by OpenAI, which is a company. So ChatGPT is still in its prototype, or still a prototype, still in the testing phase. So enough of the whole ChatGPT is open. Now, it says examples, capabilities, limitations. So, for example, explain quantum computing in simple steps. Okay, that is an example of it. Got to create any creative idea for a 10 years old birthday. How do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? Okay, then capabilities.
A few moments later.
Question number one I want to ask this bot: how old are you? And I feel like we need to know that. How old are you? I didn't spell that well. How old are you, bro? Okay, I now have a physical body of age. I was created just out with a variety of tasks and answers questions to the best of my ability. Okay, let's see. How many languages do you speak? You speak. Let's see. I mean, as an AI, it's supposed to speak all languages. Yeah. This guy is taking my time. Okay. I'm able to understand and generate text in many different languages. Specifically, I'm trying to understand and generate text in English. So the last question I will ask it now is based on. Okay, I still have a few more questions. Okay. Can you suggest some maritime topics for my school project? So this is like a use case, as a student. Maybe some certain questions you ask Google and Google can't really give you a simple or direct answers to it. Google just gives you a list of websites with different opinions about that particular topic. So now these are like maritime topics related to I can use for my school project. So okay, school project. The use of maritime trade and its impact on global economy. The role of ports and harbors. Okay. Wow. Let me just write this. Can you give me an abstract on the title, the quotes? Okay, let's just pick up the role of ports and harbors in the shipping, in the maritime industry. So say you have a project, and finance projects are all about research work and research text and motion. So I want the bot now to give me an abstract of this title that I'm just picking. So let's just see how it goes and let's see how useful this bot can be. Because if this is to go full public, it's a huge banker. Like everybody will definitely want to use it, especially when it's free. But I don't know how they're going to make that money to keep up with server works and the rest. There should be something more to it. Because everything can just be free. Sounds too good to be true. It cannot be free. Probably when they finally launch the whole thing, they can wow. The server experience an error while processing a request. Sorry about that. You can retry it. I think I broke down the robot, guys. Should I? Okay, let's regenerate again. Whoa, an error. I'm just seeing this the first time I'm seeing an error on this board. Like an actual error, not just network error, like error from the board. Okay. It means they said this in the limitation too. I mean, it's still a prototype, still in testing phase. So yeah, now it's giving us an abstract on the title. Wow. Okay. This is beautiful. So I fucked it up. Okay, yeah. Generate response. I mean, this is well detailed. Before Chatbot preparation role, I mean, guys, as a student, I could just like pick a topic, copy and paste the abstract. Then I can still go down and still request for an introduction on this same topic, an empirical review, and any other thing concerning research work. Because I mean, you don't really need to do the research again. This is not an expo per se. It is AI. We're using a tool here. You feel me? It's not as if we're doing copy and paste. We're actually using a tool here. So I mean, our lecturers will see it as an expo because we're not doing the work, or maybe because of it is free. So in a situation whereby it's not free, you actually like pay to use the board. Nobody will see it as an expo. But then who cares? So now the final question I want to ask this boss is, what made you guys click? How do you start your creativity? Let's see how. Okay. Taking time. I think he's trying to give me some Pablo Escobar principles, step by step guide. Feel me?
What the fuck is this bullshit?
One of the pros about this board is that, I think it's good for students or for lecturers, for basically anybody. Just like I said, comparing it with Google, where you ask Google a question or submit a query, it gives you like a list of different websites. So you as the user, you need to open different websites and try and like access everything and gather all the information you want to gather. So this board like does that work for you. You ask the board what are the foods to eat to have a good balanced diet or healthy diet. It gives you straight up. It will show you like different sites having different answers to your question. So those are like one of the good things. I mean, for students, when it comes to research work, it will help you to research and everything. Like just straight up, you don't stress yourself. If you're a writer, I mean, it's an excellent tool. You feel me? Just like you asking the best mind a question. Yeah, you sit down in Google and ask a question and just gives you just answer and back. You feel me? So generally, I think AI should be viewed as a tool and nothing more. I mean, we are humans. We created it as a tool to actually help us to do, some tasks and work and the rest. So those are like the pros. So now, what are the cons of this robot creativity, the human creativity? Because when we rely on this robot so much, when we take it too far, I mean, by seeking the AI suggestions on basic things, we are reducing our creativity. We put our creativity at risk. Just imagine, just asking the bot for like the basic thing you could just literally do for yourself. You feel me? So this is my own opinion, though. Understand? We ask the bot for so many things, asking for so many things. You get to the stage whereby, like you already have an answer to this thing. You just feel like it's best to ask the bot to know the bot's own suggestion. Why? Because it's an AI. You feel it's an artificial intelligence, so you feel that it should know more. I mean, doing that, you're literally killing your creative mind. You feel me? And that is it. So my conclusion, I mean, it's a beautiful thing. Technology is a beautiful thing. You feel me? But then advantage and disadvantage, creative destruction and the rest. You feel me? So I think if OpenAI wants to, create a chatbot with this kind of feature, I mean, it would be nice they, target specific industries. Think of it that way. I mean, we rely on this bot too much. I mean, we definitely won't be able to like do your basic things. Just like in fictional movies and sci-fi movies, we see them humans relying on bots for like basic things. This is my conclusion on the chatbot, and thank you guys for watching this video. See you next time.